Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2022 Ford Transit Trail Edition. Now this is the long wheelbase medium roof height model, and it does come to you with 23,000 miles upon the clock, if not slightly under. Now this does also come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, heated seats, air conditioning, reverse parking camera at the top mounted, which just makes things fantastic when it comes to parking, as well as 3 leather seats upon the interior, 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle does come with a little bit of everything you could ever want out of a van, and it does have quite a lot of space in the back as well. Not only is it ply lined and interior lit, there are some cargo rings dotted about to start out any load you may want to carry, as well as an unscratched and undented bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now if you would like to find out more about this Transit, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link to it is in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If not, you can always come over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.